Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to change your phone number on Exness. So firstly guys, step number one, you need to of course log into your Exness account. You can do this on the website or through the mobile app. So just use your email and password and log in. After that, go to your security settings, click on your profile icon on the top right corner and go there. And of course locate the phone number section. Step number 3. If your old number is active, you'll receive a confirmation code via SMS. Enter the code and proceed to add your new number. Verify your new number. Exness will send a verification code to your new phone number. Enter the code to confirm change. So if you can't access your old phone number, you're going to have to contact the Exness support via live chat or email. Providing proof of identity will be required. Exness will manually update your number after verification. And final tips. Ensure your new number is active to receive SMS codes. If you use two-factor authentication, update it for extra security. Always keep your email updated in case of future account recovery. And that's it, your phone number on Exness is now successfully updated. If you enjoyed this tutorial and if it helped, press like and subscribe to our channel for more stuff like this. And I appreciate you. Thank you for watching.